Hichka dhum 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 dhum. Hichka dhum 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 dhum.
Alright, Bandhujan, today with us we have, of course, the sensational, the person that we've been talking about all this while, the handsome, the dashing Mr. Ali Zafar, on air right now on Radio D Hotties. So, Bandhujan, join us in welcoming Ali Zafar Saab on air right now. Hi, Ali Zafar Saab, how are you doing?
I'm alright. How are you? और आप मुझे साहब क्यों कह रही हैं?
Exactly, साहब क्यों बोल रहे हो उसको? अच्छे खासे इंसान है यार. Ali bhai, so welcome to the studio first of all. Of course, we are very excited about the upcoming concert, Crazy 2 right now.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm saying so am I, and my entire team, my entire band, and the troupe. We're coming with the 27-piece, like entire troupe and band. All of us are coming together, and Suniti Chauhan's going to be there, and myself, and we're going to rock the stage, sing for you guys, dance for you guys, sing new songs, sing old songs, and we're going to jam together. And we're going to make it a very, very special night for you guys. So be there.
सर घूमे चक्कर खाए दिल से टक्कर खाए और मैं खोया के तू खो गया जो ना है दिखता जाए जो है वो दिख ना पाए और आंखों को ये क्या हो गया ओ बिन चाबी खुल जाए मस्ती का ताला छोरी लागे जोरू छोरा लगे साला पनघट पे नाचे
We're really looking forward to it. We just spoke with Suniti ji and she actually told us that there's some surprises in store for us when you guys come here. So we'll try to see if we can get you to give out that information to us today. But really looking forward to your rocking performance. We've heard so much about you as a Sufi rock star and a Pakistani rock star, and we haven't had an opportunity to see you. The San Jose audiences haven't seen you. So we're really looking forward to your upcoming concert tour. So Ali ji or Ali. So what I'm going to ask you is, today we just wanted to quickly introduce you to our bandhus that we call our listeners and ask you a few quick questions. If you could tell us a little bit about yourself and also introduce you to the entire Bay Area audience.
What do you call your listeners? Tell me again.
Bandhus.
वो जो है सुन मोरे बंधु रे सुनो मोरे मितवा सुनो मोरे साथी रे वो वाले बंधु.
हाँ सर, वही exactly वही वाले बंधु. वही वाले बंधु, yes sir.
अरे वाह, आपने क्या अदा से गाया, seriously.
Of course, Ali साहब है, Ali bhai. I want to ask you one thing. So of course we've had, we have spoken some time ago when you had the launch of London Paris New York. We actually spoken to you. It's the first time you're coming to San Jose, right? Or have you performed it before also?
San Jose is my first time.
Okay.
It's my first time in San Jose.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
From London to Paris, Paris to New York, ढूंढा तुम्हें मैंने, अब खोना नहीं,
मैं खो भी जाऊं, गुम हो भी जाऊं, इन खोई हुई राहों में तुम्हीं को पाऊं.
ये जादू सा क्या है, मैं जानू ना.
We wanted to know if you could tell us a little bit about how you got started in the music industry. What was it that initiated you into this, and how did you get started?
Yeah, one day I was sitting under a tree, and the wind started blowing, and there was like music in the air, and I thought that I should sing with the tree and the wind, and that's how it all started.
Wow.
Now the tree and the wind are big stars, and I'm just a humble artist still at work.
No, the tree and the wind are kind of at work because you're on the airwaves right now.
But that's a fantastic story though, actually.
Yeah, I'm tired of telling the same old story.
Yeah.
That's there for many, many years, which was how I started singing, and it's a long story. I'll tell you some other day when I come there. In fact, I'll tell it on stage.
Oh, that'd be wonderful.
Wow.
कट्टे उल्लू के पट्टे एक ही थाली के चट्टे पट्टे
So in the program Crazy 2, what is the thing which we can expect something new?
Yeah, I'm gonna show my six-pack on stage
Wow!
for the first time.
You're gonna make me look bad, aren't you? Oh, my goodness. Okay.
No, I'm joking, nothing like that.
That was close.
You can come with your families to watch the show. There's nothing like that's going to happen. But a lot of crazy stuff. Yeah, the concert's called Crazy 2, so I mean we're going to go crazy on stage. You can come and watch.
Absolutely. So here's the thing. We have a show here called Masala Picks that we do where we do the hottest new releases from Bollywood, and we're so excited about the music from Chashme Badur too.
Oh yes.
And one of the songs, Dishkiya or Doom Doom, is like a really, really hot number out here. We've been like airing it almost every other day. So could you tell us, are you going to be singing that song for us over there?
Yeah, if you want me to sing it, should I sing it?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
of
yeah,
course.
please.
Go ahead.
Okay, done. Just because you said it, I'll sing it.
All right. Yes. There you go. We got one requested already.
All right.
That was good.
Now tell me you've been playing that song every other day. Now will you play it twice a day?
Okay.
Oh, you bet. Of
Deal.
course we will.
We can play it back to back also if you wanted. If you're going to promise playing it on the stage there.
Yeah.
Well, actually, you know what? Actually, it defeats the purpose, Ali. If at all we play it very often now,
Yeah.
the novelty of on stage will go off.
No, there's nothing like looking at him perform.
No. I don't believe in that. I think the more the song plays on radio, the bigger the hit it becomes.
Exactly. You know,
Because-
I was trying to see what is the reaction of Faltu Rani over here. She says, no, novelty of on stage is not going to go.
Well, you know,
Yeah.
we've got to admit that, you know, at least for a lot of the ladies out here, a lot of us are coming to see you, and while you're performing, especially, I mean, now that you've mentioned the six-pack and all,
Okay.
It's kya dum 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 dum. It's kya dum 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 dum. देखा तुझे तो तसल्ली हुई, चल आखिर माँ को बहू मिल गई. देखा तुझे तो तसल्ली हुई, चल आखिर माँ को बहू मिल गई.
You're gonna come for my six-pack and not for my voice or my
of
singing,
course we're
huh?
coming for your voice too. How
Oh.
can we not?
All women are the same. All women are the same.
I know exactly. And they blame us men over it. Acha,
Exactly.
this brings you to a very vital point right now, which I really want to know. I want to find out how you got onto that thing, actually.
Yeah.
You have been named the sexiest guy.
The second sexiest man in Asia.
Hey, there's no ranking between that. If you're sexiest, you're sexiest. That's it, period.
Okay.
There's no ranking at all in that.
Yeah.
How did it come about? How did it come about? How did they actually do a match-up with you? Do you know about the thing at all, or how is it?
I don't know. I guess they do a survey online. It's a British magazine, Eastern Eye, and they do a survey,
Uh-huh.
and it comes through that survey.
Wow. Okay.
So, I mean, if you're asking me what does one have to do to become this
Yeah.
one of the sexiest men, then when you wake up in the morning for breakfast, you should have 5 khajurs and milk.
Oh, okay.
And, and just hold on 1 second.
Yeah, I'm making notes.
Yeah, so write this down. Take 5
Yes.
khajurs in the morning with
Okay.
milk.
Okay.
And have egg whites with 2 egg yolks.
2 egg yolks. Okay, good. Done. Then, and then come on.
And then for lunch, have a big fish, some aphrodisiacs
Ali
with
bhai.
the spinach and
Ali bhai.
broccoli. Yes,
Ali bhai, I'm a vegetarian.
yes. I said, then you can have matar aloo.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, or you could have methi or saag also. That's also very good. Saag with spinach.
Sir, while you're at it, dinner में क्या ले sir?
डिनर में वो मैं आपको अकेले में बताऊंगा.
Beautiful. But actually, you increase the hope in guys like me who don't have 6-packs. How we can get onto the list. But when they came a first show, told you this thing, when they shared the news with you about you being chosen as one of the sexiest men alive, how did it feel?
It felt very sexy.
Oh. You just now.
Yeah. अब मैं ये किस तरह देखो ये everybody asks me that मैं किस तरह how do I tell how do I feel?
Yeah.
I mean for example if you were ranked as one of the sexiest men, how would you feel? Wouldn't you feel really disappointed? Who was number one?
No, okay, that's one of the reasons I said, whenever you try to rank guys, it's not fair at all.
Yeah.
Guys, you should never rank us as 1 to 10. We are like all together. We are like one pack of wolf pack, like that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Hey, but actually, I'm a huge fan, Ali Bhai.
Yeah, so am I.
I kid you not, I'm really huge. 6 foot 5 inches. A huge fan.
अच्छा
So, I mean,
then in that case, you need about 12 khajurs every morning.
Let me make a change.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now that you kind of told us how you went about getting the sexiness factor in, why don't you? Is it possible for you to walk us through a day in the life of Ali Zafar Saab? It's like
I would love to, but I'm sleeping during the day.
Oh, okay, there you go. Gotcha. That's my aha moment.
That's your aha moment right now.
Okay.
Early morning.
Okay, so nightlife. Let's come to the part we can disclose on radio.
Yeah.
Then I'm being honest, you don't need to blush at all. I'm just saying that I actually sleep during the day because musicians mostly work at night.
Oh.
And they're like vampires. So we work at night and we sleep during the day. So yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Interesting.
So, I don't know, this is an old wives' tale possibly, but they generally say, and I know that you say musicians work at night, but people say that the voice opens up in the morning when you have to do riyaz early in the morning and things like that, so.
Exactly. So you open up your voice and you go to sleep.
अच्छा ये बात सही है. I agree with you. But I sleep always open up my voice. But ये बात है कि when I open my voice, it's more like snoring.
Yeah. Voice opening की भी एक टेक्निक होती है, वैसी नहीं खोल देते.
हाँ सर, I'm taking notes, sir.
वो मैं आपको टेक्निक बताऊंगा सुबह.
Okay, ठीक है.
How did you get into the movie industry, and would you prefer pursuing, I mean, I know that you do both music as well as movies, but if you had to pick one, which would be one of your favorites, what would you prefer pursuing more as a lifetime career?
ये तो आपने वही सवाल कर दिया फिर यार. मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपका नेक्स्ट सवाल क्या होगा.
हाँ बोलिए.
कि अपने फैंस के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे अबाउट दिस शो, एनी मोटिवेटिंग मैसेज. दिस विल बी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन और उसके बीच में एक सवाल होगा हाँ कि ऑडियंसेस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे. व्हाट्स सो स्पेशल अबाउट दिस शो एंड व्हाई शुड दे कम एंड वॉच इट, है ना.
अरे माय गॉड, you can read our minds. अली साहब, ये आप टैलेंट कहाँ से लिया?
हाँ, सीरियसली.
आपका स्लोगन होगा कि वे एंटरटेनमेंट जस्ट गॉट हॉटर. Isn't that true?
Oh my God. Okay.
Now this is getting eerie right now. नहीं लग रहा है आप हमारी इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो.
हाँ, सीरियसली.
अच्छा आज मैं आपका इंटरव्यू लेता हूँ.
डन बोलिए सर.
ठीक है, आप दोनों के साथ स्टूडियो में और कौन है?
कोई नहीं है
यार.
अभी तो कोई नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
तो ये जो रेडियो स्टूडियो में एक साइलेंस सा होता है, ऑकवर्ड सा साइलेंस जो होता है, इसको आप दोनों कैसे ब्रेक करते हैं?
चपड़ बात करके.
अच्छा, तो आपकी शक्लें कैसी हैं? अपने जरा लिसनर्स को बताएं कि कैसे डिस्क्राइब योर अपीयरेंस.
सर देखो सर, मुझे ना आलतुबा, लोग प्यार से आलतुबा बुलाते हैं. दूर से देखा जाए तो आई लुक लाइक ऋतिक रोशन.
अच्छा, और अगर उससे भी दूर से देखें तो?
सर अली जफर. सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ सर, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कॉमेडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सच्ची में.
और अगर कोई देखे ही ना कैसे गुजर जाए.
जो मन में आए सर.
अच्छा, आप कैसी लगती हैं?
वो तो आवाज से पता चल जाता है ना.
नहीं, आवाज ये धोखे बड़े खाए हुए लोगों ने टेलीफोन पे बातें करके लड़की कुछ और ही निकलती है. नहीं
सर, एक्चुअली उसका नाम क्या है ना, प्रिटी हॉट आलतू है. PHALTU फालतू है. तो प्रिटी हॉट आलतू है जी. बहुत
नाम तो कुछ भी रख सकते हो. नाम तो मैं भी अपना अली जफर रख सकता हूँ यार, हॉट लगने के लिए. लेकिन आप डिस्क्राइब करें ना, आपकी हाइट कितनी है, आपके बाल कैसे हैं, आपका वेट कैसा है, आपकी स्किन कैसी है.
हम वहाँ पे पहुँचने वाले हैं ना anyway for the concert, तो वहीं पे आपसे आके मिलेंगे. आप आइडेंटिफाई करो.
अरे डिस्क्राइब कर लो अभी भी, नो प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ
डिस्क्राइब करो, पूछ रहे
अच्छा, आप मुझे बताएं कि आपने भी ब्लश ऑन लगाया वो रेडियो इंटरव्यू के लिए?
हाँ सर, मैं लगाया सर. थोड़ा बहुत सुरमा भी लगाया.
मैं उससे पूछ रहा हूँ यार.
ओह सॉरी अली भाई, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन.
नहीं, टाइम नहीं था, वो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं आई, तो इसीलिए डायरेक्टली पहुँच गए.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा, मेरा दूसरा सवाल ये कि आपने जराबे पहनी हुई है?
क्या पहने?
जुलाबे
सॉक्स.
ओह थैंक यू. मैं सोचा नहीं सर, थोड़ा हेडफोन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. ऑफ कोर्स पहना हुआ है सर, जूता भी पहन के आया हूँ सर.
मेरा तीसरा सवाल ये कि आप लास्ट टाइम सोना में कब गए थे? स्टीम और सोना कब लिया आपने?
सोना सर, रात को सो के आया हूँ सर मैं.
सोना नहीं, सोना.
सर क्या करो, देहाती हूँ सर. मैं बैठ सर, मैं आई डोंट हैव सो मच एक्सपीरियंस एज यू अली भाई.
अच्छा, आप लोग चश्मे पर दूर देख रहे हैं 5th को?
ऑफ कोर्स.
वो आपका वो डायलॉग है ना, क्योंकि आर यू वेयरिंग लिपस्टिक, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारे लिप्स से स्टिक करना चाहता हूँ.
आपका क्या ख्याल है आपका क्या ख्याल, आपका एक्सपीरियंस बताइए हमें कि क्या वो लाइन चलेगी?
यार वो लाइन चल चुकी है.
मतलब इन रियल लाइफ? ओह, आई शुड टेक नोट्स.
इन रियल लाइफ. हाँ, ये भी एक और नोट लिख लें कि लड़की को कहना है जब वो पूछे कि क्या देख रहे हो,
हाँ?
तो कहना तुम्हारे लिप्स. फिर वो कहेगी, क्या कहती है वो, क्यों या जो भी है, तो कहना कि बिकॉज आई वांट टू स्टिक टू योर लिप्स बेबी. आगे बेबी जरूर ऐड कर लेना.
दम है बॉस इज द डायलॉग. हाँ, एक्चुअली वो काफी वो हमने आपके जो मसाला पिक है वो उसका डिश के और डूम डूम से पहले आता है वो. वी प्लेड इट एंड ऑल द लेडीज बर्स्ट आउट लाफिंग इन द स्टूडियो. यू नो, whoever was in our studio, everybody started laughing irrespective of वो देसी है कि नॉन देसी है. It really didn't matter. Everybody said, oh, what a pickup line.
Yeah, it is very nice. I'm going to use it.
चलो. Now coming back to the concert.
Yes,
तो
perfect.
आप लोग जो अली जफर और सुनीति चौहान का कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा है इतना बड़ा, उसमें आप लोग क्या सुना रहे हैं हमें?
सर हम आपको बहुत सारे चीखे सुनाएंगे.
हाँ.
और साथ में थोड़ा और ये भी आएगा सर. साथ में कभी कभी हो जाएगा सर कि सुनीति आई लव यू. और क्या चाहिए सर, कुछ फरमाइश तो बोलिए सर, वो भी कर देंगे सर.
तो वहाँ के सैन होजे के लोग मुझसे, मैं उनको पसंद हूँ, मुझे पसंद करते हैं, या फिर मैं ना हूँ? सर
वहाँ पे पीपल लव यू, हम है ना सर, और क्या चाहिए?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मैं तो आपका टी शर्ट पहन के आने वाला हूँ, मतलब आपका खुद डीजी नहीं, मतलब लोगो विथ योर फेस ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट.
चले, गुड.
अभी आपने हमारा इंटरव्यू कर लिया, हम आपका इंटरव्यू थोड़ा और करें.
हाँ बताइए, पूछिए.
तो आप जो ये शंकर आई फाउंडेशन के लिए ये कॉज आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वैसे इज देयर व्हाट इज अ कॉज दैट्स रियली क्लोज टू योर हार्ट जो आप सपोर्ट करते हैं, करते आए हैं ओवर टाइम?
Yeah, now coming to some serious stuff. हंसी मजाक तो बहुत हो गया.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
बात ये कि I do believe in the fact कि जब आपको खुदा कोई स्टेटस देता है या इज्जत देता है या फेम देता है या जो भी है, इतनी रिकग्निशन और लोगों का प्यार देता है, तो आपको उसको अपने अलावा दूसरों के लिए भी यूज करना चाहिए साथ साथ. तो इसीलिए जितने भी लोग इस तरह की अच्छी कॉजेस के लिए काम करते हैं, मैं उन्हें सपोर्ट करना चाहता हूँ और करता आ रहा हूँ काफी टाइम से. तो ये जो आई फाउंडेशन है, इनके लिए मेरी बहुत सी माय बेस्ट विशेस इन रिगार्ड्स टू देम. They're doing a fabulous job, and I would request everybody to support them and support them by coming to the concert and support them otherwise also.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. In fact, we are totally looking out for your concert over here. We have known you as an artist. We've known you as we've seen you in movies. We've heard your songs. We've seen you on YouTube, I guess, with all the other recordings which you have. We love the Coke Street recording of yours as well. And I think many of us over here, I wouldn't just say, I'm talking for everybody over here in San Jose, that we would love to see you live.
Absolutely. This is your band, right, Aliji, that you're coming with?
Yeah, we're coming with like a 27-piece orchestra and troupe with dancers and musicians. It's going to be huge.
Wonderful.
Wow.
So, can you disclose a little bit about the genres you're going to cover, or is it going to be a suspense for us when you come to the event?
Yeah, we have many surprises in store. Me and Suniti both. We're going to do our own sets, and then we're going to jam for you guys on stage together. And yes, we're going to sing old songs and new songs and whatever you guys want to listen to, and we'll have a great night that evening. So do make sure that you cancel all your plans and be there.
Yes, I have blocked the whole day for myself.
Yeah, absolutely. There are a lot of aspiring singers out here, and wanted to know, as a musician and as an actor yourself, do you have any words of advice or suggestions for people what they need to do to pursue their passion?
See, I think that the most important thing is perseverance. You've got to keep at it, and you can't lose hope. You have to do it day and night. Art and music and, related subjects and things is something that it's not like a 2-hour job or a 1-hour job. You have to live it 24/7. And you need to want it bad enough in order to receive it. And I also think that, you just need to put your work out there. So even if you can shoot a small, simple video, if you don't have huge budgets and all of that, just record a song. Nowadays, it's become really simple with, the modern technology coming in. You can record on your computers and, you can put songs out there, shoot on the 5D and cameras, really good cameras, and just put them on YouTube. And if it's a really good song, people are going to watch it and listen to it. I mean, that's the best piece of advice that I can give, that, you should definitely follow your passion, because, you don't want to be in a point in life where you look back and think, man, damn, that's what I really wanted to do, and what the hell am I doing now?
Very true.
So don't waste that time. Just stick to what your passion is and follow that. Follow your heart.
In fact, thank you so much for that. Actually, that was a wonderful words of wisdom for everybody. I think perseverance is the key, I guess.
Yeah, and
Never
you actually
giving up.
gave us some, follow your heart, follow your passion has been something that every artist who has come on has always told us about. But the fact that you mentioned with regard to the YouTube videos and how to get out there, that itself, that I think is a very practical tip. And thank you so much for talking to us about it. अभी हमारा rapid fire round शुरू होने वाला है. Ali ji, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do.
मैं start करूँ?
हाँ.
Very good. Sir, I will start something very close to my heart.
हाँ.
Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie.
यार मुझे एकदम से कुछ वर्ड आया था, लेकिन अब मैं बोल नहीं सकता.
Yes! बोलो चलेगा.
अच्छा.
I'll beep it out.
एंजेलिना जोली, तूने दिल की बात क्यों ना खोली?
Oh Lord.
That was a good one.
Okay, your favorite dish.
डिश एंटीना.
खाने वाली, देखने वाली नहीं.
Excuse me, I think he's right about, because he said first thing comes to mind when you say dish.
Okay. आपका favorite गाना, खाना नहीं गाना.
गाता जा रे मनवा, गाता जा रे, जाना है तुमका दूर, और बालम आए बसो. नहीं, एक्चुअली ये तो बहुत पुराने हो गए गाने. एक गाना है रॉक एंड रोल, ये अच्छा गाना है. और एक है वो क्या था, हाँ, ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है, ये तेरी नजर का कसूर है, ये भी. और तो बस बहुत सारे गाने हैं, मैं क्या बताऊं.
हाँ, तो मैंने एक ही पूछा था. चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
एक नहीं, अनेक मिलेंगे.
So, are you a Mac or a PC?
Are you a Mac or a Bobby Brown?
What?
As in nothing. Mac or a PC? Yeah, I'm a Mac person.
Mac person. Okay, good. You're coming to Cupertino now, so good.
Okay, that's the Apple headquarters.
Apple headquarters right here. In fact, there will be a lot of people working for Apple in the crowd also.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
So
Okay,
next
good.
one, something very close to my heart again. Katrina Kaif.
Yes, very nice person.
Thank you. I'm asking you toughest questions, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Your most comfortable outfit. No, nothing can be controversial.
Exactly.
Let me tell you.
So we had mentions like boxers, leaden pants.
Yeah.
So nothing can be controversial. So feel free.
Yaar, shalwar.
Okay.
Only salwar? Okay, we get it. 6 pack दिखाना ना तो. Okay, good. Next question. What do you drive?
नहीं यार, drive. I don't drive actually. I'm not sure if I have a car because I think I go home and use my parents' car.
Oh,
My driver drives it.
oh, good.
Yeah, I think we asked you this question that time. You said the same thing at that time. So, and now we are going to ask you कि if you could please sing us एक दो लाइन आप हमारे लिए गुनगुना दीजिए from whatever your favorite गाना that comes to mind right now.
अच्छा शाम होने आई, मौसम ने ली अंगड़ाई, तो किस बात की है बुराई, तू चल। सुना आपने गाना?
Of course, sir. सुना है सर. आपका फेवरेट है?
अच्छा, आपका फेवरेट गाना आप मुझे बताओ, मैं आपको वो उसी सिंगर की आवाज में सुना।
हाँ सर.
बिल्कुल.
मेरा फेवरेट सिंगर है, उनका नाम है, बहुत फेमस है एक्चुअली, वो बहुत हम्बल भी है, अच्छे बातें भी करते हैं.
अली जफर मत कहना, अली जफर मत कहना because I can't stand the guy.
सर बैठे आ जाओ सर. अच्छा चलो, आप अपना ही आवाज में अपने ही गाने कुछ गुनगुनाए सर. नो प्रॉब्लम.
हमें तो आपका मधुबाला बहुत पसंद है.
Favorite song.
Very, that's one of our all-time favorites.
चलो फिर कॉन्सर्ट पे आके सुनना, फिर वही एक दफा अच्छे से सुनाऊंगा.
डन. ओके, ठीक है, डील.
ठीक है. तो अभी हाँ, वैसे आपने बोला कि आपके if there was one song, I know this is very cliched, लेकिन पूछ ही लेती हूँ, what is a song that you would have liked to have sung of which has been rendered by some other artist?
All the hit songs of all the hit artists.
Okay, yesteryears के बोलिए, yesteryear रफी साहब या किसी के गाने, which is any one of your favorites.
यार रफी साहब का आपने नाम लिया तो उनका एक गाना बहुत मुझे पसंद है, वो है दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे, दिल का भंवर, वो मुझे उनका गाना बहुत पसंद है.
ब्यूटीफुल.
और हेमंत कुमार का एक गाना है, न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है फिर ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया, न तुम हमें जानो.
ब्यूटीफुल.
वो अच्छा गाना है.
Beautiful. So do we get to see झलक्स of this concert? इसका
हाँ, करेंगे ना कुछ.
Wonderful. मैं वहाँ पे चिल्लाता रहूंगा back. Wherever you hear somebody with lots of noise and see cops around there trying to hold us back, it's me, okay? Don't be surprised. Leave Alto Papa there. So
done.
ठीक है. So Ali, we would really want to thank you for taking the time out in the last minute and also doing this interview with us. अभी we would like to ask you, जाते जाते अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं to all the bandus out there, anything, I mean not necessarily referencing this particular concert, anything for that matter, your message to all the people who love you and your music, अगर आप कहना चाहते हैं, feel free.
हाँ यार, big thank you to all of you for all the love that you've given me, और जो आप मेरी बातें और गाने और फिल्में बर्दाश्त करते हैं इतने सालों से, उसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया and thank you, and really looking forward to seeing you all at the show. This is my first time that I'm coming to San Jose, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've heard that the crowd is amazing there, so we've got a very powerful, very potent show packed for you, and you should have a really good time that night. So come please.
Absolutely. We will look forward to seeing you that night. And
इतने प्यार से कोई बुलाएगा तो कोई ना करेगा क्या?
हाँ, और वैसे भी उनका डिनर का पूछना है ना, क्या खाते हैं डिनर पे?
Exactly. Dinner. I need to know that also. वरना मेरा incomplete हो जाएगा सर.
All right.
बिल्कुल.
Ali bhai, heartfelt thank you for actually coming and having this wonderful chat with us.
Yeah.
I promise I'll edit out whatever was not appropriate.
And are you on Twitter?
Yes.
Okay.
You can actually share the Twitter with our bandhus if you want it. They can actually follow you also. You want to give out the Twitter?
Give out your Twitter handle.
No, yaar, I don't want to.
Okay. That's fine.
We'll find ya.
No, it's Ali Zafar Says.
It's Ali Zafar Says. Okay.
Ah, that's nice.
Okay. So thank you so much again.
We just can't wait to see you on the concert next week.
Yes.
And thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you so much. और आपसे 36 मिनट और 54 seconds बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा, आप टाइप कर रहे थे मतलब.
वाह. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right. You have a good, safe
Bye-bye.
trip. Bye-bye.
वो देखने में कैसी सीधी सादी लगती है, बोलती कि वो तो कुछ नहीं समझती, अंदर से कितनी तेज है। कभी अजीब सी कभी हसीन लगती, कभी किसी किताब का है सीन लगती, फिलॉसफी का क्रेज है। ओ कहती है ये एक फेज है। वो देखने में कैसी सीधी साधी लगती है, बोलती कि वो तो कुछ नहीं समझती, अंदर से कितनी तेज है। कभी अजीब सी कभी हसीन लगती, कभी किसी किताब का है सीन लगती, फिलॉसफी का क्रेज है। हो कहती है ये एक फेज है। हो कहती है ये एक फेज है। कैसा ये तैयार है, दिल किसी का हो गया ना इस पे इख्तियार है। करूं तो क्या करूं, कहूं तो क्या कहूं, ये गाना भी तो उसको पास लाने का बहाना है। वो चुप चुप मेरे दिल के राज खोलती, हतक ये में मेरे ख्वाब भी टटोलती, पॉसेसिवनेस का केस है। जाने मन तो हर गाने में आता है, पलवाना रोमियो हर लड़का ही बन जाता है। लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं, बनूं तो क्या बनूं, ये फिल्मों में लड़का ही क्यों लड़की को पसंद है। न चाहूं भी तो मैं सभी वो कर जाता हूँ, वो आए सामने तो मैं सुधर जाता हूँ। लड़की एक फुल ऑन चेज है। कहती है ये एक फेज है। With me, come on. वो देखने में कैसी सीधी सादी लगती है, बोलती कि वो तो कुछ नहीं समझती, अंदर से कितनी तेज है। कभी अजीब सी कभी हसीन लगती, कभी किसी किताब का है सीन लगती, फिलॉसफी का क्रेज है।